Preston and I are back in the garage, and we have some work to do. Actually, we've been doing a lot of work. We've slowly but surely been putting our front frame stiffeners onto the Jeep, but now we're at an impasse. Preston, what's our impasse?
We need to put the steering box brace on.
Yes, we do. Let's show you what we're looking at. On the passenger side, we added a few of them in. We're going to be adding that one in later. Now, the predicament we have is on the driver's side. In order to put this front frame stiffener in right here, we have to take out these bolts. And Preston, what are these bolts holding?
The steering box.
Okay, since we're going to have to unbolt our steering box, we figured we'd go ahead and upgrade the little spacer brace. Now, Preston, why do we want to do this?
Because it will break.
Yeah, the stock ones have a tendency to break in when you put big tires on your Jeep, which we have, and we plan on going bigger. Currently, we don't know the status of our steering box brace. It may be okay, it may not. So Preston and I figured we'd do a fun little wager. We got a crisp $5 bill right here being protected by a bat duck. Preston, do you think our stock one is going to be broken or not broken?
Not broken.
So I'm going to say broken. And we'll find out who gets this $5. Before we unbolt our steering box, we're going to attempt to support it using the bungee. All of our jacks are currently being occupato, so we are going to have to try to be creative. We have one bolt out ready. It takes a 15 millimeter. And don't judge us, we don't, or actually, that's a 16 millimeter. Don't judge us, we don't have a impact socket that size. Yeah, we took that one out. Okay. How about this guy?
Chemical smells.
Well, that might have broken it loose, or we stripped it. One of the two. Out. Alright, cool. So there is a little bit of a lip here on the frame that you can rest it on. Alright, Preston, you see this little guy? Look at the size comparison of that. Now, I think you can see why this one would break when you have bigger tires and larger forces prying on the steering box, or pulling on the steering box, which is in turn prying on this. So I think we'll be definitely calling this an upgrade. Now, it's going to be somewhat of a challenge, I think, to be able to maneuver this in place. Definitely I'm going to have something drip on my face here in a second, which is not cool. Believe it or not, there are some holes here on the front of the frame, which conveniently line up to where you can see where your bolts are going to the steering box. I don't know if that was on purpose or pure coincidental, but nonetheless, I'm gonna be peeking through these to try to see if I'm lined up. Nope, no shaky. No shaky. Okay, new steering box, brace, spacer, whatever you want to call that guy, is installed. Cut the bolts back in, and well dang, now that I think about it, presto, we made a mistake-o.
What?
Can you see any issues with what's going on now?
It's not attached.
No, it's attached. Spacer's in. What's the problem now?
Is it because the frame stiffener?
Yeah. We forgot to put the frame stiffener in there. So now in order to get this up, we have to take these bolts out, which was, the whole plan to begin with. So these 3 bolts that hold the steering box in go there, there, and there. So I think what Preston and I are going to do, we are just going to zip that off right there. Well, like I said, Preston and I forgot to put the frame stiffener up. So we're gonna do that now. We're gonna leave the top bolt installed to hold it in place. We went ahead and put primer on this side a while back. So we'll get one of these started. The washer is in the way on the top one there, so we're going to undo that a little bit. We can put that back up, and we can get the last bolt started. This is the bolt where we notched out part of the stiffener, so we could just leave it in there and hold it in place while we put it up, which made it a lot easier. So what I'm going to do, since we're going to be welding everything, I'm going to get that part I chopped off, stick it back in there, and weld it on, so it'd be like as if nothing ever happened. Alright, and that is how you put in your steering box brace / spacer for the Jeep XJ. Now Preston, how's ours look?
Look good. It's not cracked.
He claims there's no crack. Let me see this. Alright guys, I think I'm out $5. I think Preston won the bet. That's what you get when you let him choose first. So, there we go. $5, bud. You earned it. What are you going to spend it on?
Nothing.
Nothing? You're going to save it?
Yeah.
You going to save it for more Jeep parts?
Yeah.
Nice. That's what I like to hear. Alright, well that's going to wrap it up for this one. Till next time. Ciao.
Ciao.